So parang hindi na naman siya new thing for me. Pero eto kasi baby namin yung ilalabas namin. Hindi naman baby. But
Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
ang weird nga po kasi mas na-enjoy ko talaga working at the back. Parang mas gusto ko na lang tumulong like for ako nagsulat na rin po ako for nakagawa na ako ng music for other artists, nakagawa na ako for brands as well. So parang hindi na naman siya new thing for me. Pero eto kasi baby namin yung ilalabas namin. Hindi naman baby. But alam mo yun, parang this is the first artist na ilalabas ni Wanzi apart from
scratch.
SB19. From scratch. Kasi eto i-build namin from scratch talaga eh. Talagang tutulungan namin i-hone yung skills nila. So napakahalaga sa akin itong moment na to. And lahat ng knowledge na natutunan ko over the years as SB19 and as a business owner as Wanzi, talagang bubuhos ko for them. So lahat ng mga sayang ng SB19, dapat hindi na nila maranasan yun. Parang mga anak mo no? Parang ganun yung promise ko sa anak ko eh. Lahat ng mga hindi ko nakamit or lahat ng hindi ko nagawa ng bata ko, ibibigay ko sa'yo. Parang ganun yung feeling ko for them. So sobrang excited ako mag-meet sila kahit wala pa sila. Sobrang excited ako. And yun nga, katulad ng sinabi niya, parang when we were starting as SB19, we didn't have this kind of setup. Wala kami ganito, wala kami someone to guide us to create music and all. Pero sila, they will have the best of the best. They will have the support na pwede nila makuha from us. So, all they need to do is parang do their best, practice hard, and syempre, strengthen their mind kasi it will not be an easy journey. And yun, magtiwala sa sarili na at syempre sa family na sa ones.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.